In the ever-changing design and space requirements, acrylic sheet determines the balance between aesthetics and practicality. Deep in the field of acrylic sheet, Senpu is steadily moving towards the diversification and sustainable development of acrylic with more professional manufacturing capabilities and a wider range of acrylic product lines. From fashionable advertising signs to high-end commercial displays, from mirrored acrylic to thick sheet applications, Senpu has state-of-the-art production lines to meet the demands of complex forms and precision machining. We offer a wide selection of materials, including highly reflective mirror panels, waterproof and corrosion-resistant panels for bathrooms, colorful frosted decorative panels, and thick plate materials for industrial and load-bearing needs. Senpu acrylic products take into account the visual aesthetics and practical performance widely used in architectural decoration, home space, commercial space, retail terminals, and other diversified scenarios, empowering customers to create a more textured space experience. In the pursuit of aesthetics and performance, Senpu also always adheres to the concept of sustainable development, optimizing the manufacturing process, promoting the recycling of materials, and supporting the customization of drawings and samples to meet the personalized needs of each customer in terms of color, thickness, and specifications. Beautiful, durable, and environmentally friendly. That's Senpu's interpretation of acrylic. We continue to expand our global market and provide flexible and customized production services to our customers. With stable quality and professional service, we have won wide trust in the international market. In the future, Senpu Acrylic Factory will continue to drive product upgrading with technological innovation to create more beautiful, environmentally friendly, and high-performance acrylic. Welcome all OEM and ODM orders.